Good morning, teachers. I just want to do a very quick video to show you how to do a log entry, and this will be super quick. So first thing you want to do is go to Powerschool Teacher, and you're going to come here and put in your username and password and click Sign In. That will take you to this screen, which looks very familiar to all of you. It should anyway. This is where you take your attendance. In order to do a log entry, though, you're going to go to one different place, and that's you're going to want to click on the backpack of the class that student is in. So let's click on this backpack, and it will take us to a different screen. Once you get to this screen, it's going to look like this, and on the left-hand side will be your classes listed and your students. I haven't extended the screen because I want to keep the privacy of these students. So I will click on one and then show you how we do our log entry. So let's say that this name was John Smith. We're going to click on John Smith. Once we click on John Smith, we've got their grades that will pull up. So we know, and the student's picture will be in the upper left-hand corner. On the right-hand corner, you will see there's a screen that says Select Screens. Click on this caret, pull down, and do Submit Log Entry. Once we click Submit Log Entry, it was going to take us to a different screen. Now that we are on this screen, we're going to see that this is a place where log entries will reside, and any log entries that you put in for this particular student will be here. Okay, they will stay there for administration, counselors, and yourself to see. So for John Smith, we're going to click New. We want to put in a new log entry for today. I'm going to choose Minor Discipline. I'm going to choose Profanity, and it happened in math class. Student was swearing in class. Reminded 3 times to stop, contacted parents, and notified administration. So I put in there kind of just a brief description of what took place, and I also put in my actions because if you're like me, from one day to the next, I can't remember what I've done. So that just helps not only remind myself, but also Ron and Kim. And then coming down here, you can put just a little bit more information. You can say that it happened in the classroom. You can say that it happened during instruction, and then you can do your follow-up, kind of some things that you did. Did you use a behavior tracker, loss of points, mentoring? Here I use this a lot because you can choose parent contact, click submit. Once you click submit, that student's log entry is right here. So every time you click on a different log entry for this student, it will be there to remind you. This is a great way to keep information, to monitor our students, and make sure that we're following up and have a paper trail. It is one of the best things you can do to help not only yourself as a teacher, but also administration and counseling. If you have questions, let me know and I will help walk you through it.